Good morning children, welcome to our science class. Now today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter 3, and the name of chapter is Adaptations in Animals. Latha's grandparents visited Latha at Delhi. After staying for 3 days, they took her out to show different places and also visited zoo. Latha was curious to see all the animals which she has never seen before. The grandfather explains about every animal, their dwelling places and their food habits. The next day when Latha went to school, the teacher started to teach the lesson Adaptations in Animals. In India, we never see polar bears or kangaroos. Why? To survive and reproduce, animals have to adjust to their surroundings. The process of adjustment to surroundings is known as adaptation. The animals which cannot adapt themselves die out, others which can adapt can survive. Latha's grandparents visited Latha at Delhi. After 3 days they took her to show different places. They also visited zoo. Latha was very curious to see all the animals which she has never seen before. The grandfather explains her about every animal, their dwelling places. Dwelling means their living places, where they live, and their food habits. Next day when she went to school, teacher asked to teach the lesson Adaptations in Animals. Okay? In India we never see polar bears or kangaroos. Why? Because they cannot adapt themselves according to our environment, our climate. Okay? To survive and reproduce, animals have to adjust themselves to their surrounding. The process of adjustment to the surrounding is known as adaptation. That is why polar bear and kangaroos are never seen in India, because they cannot adjust themselves according to our climate, according to our environment. Animals which cannot adapt themselves according to the surrounding, they die, or other animals which adapt themselves according to the surrounding, they survive or they live. Latha के grandfather मतलब grandparents इन दिल्ली विजिट करने गए और वहाँ पे 3 दिन रहने के बाद में लथा को अलग अलग प्लेसेस दिखाने के लिए ले गए, तो इसे जू भी ले गए. लथा बहुत खुश हुई सभी एनिमल्स को देख करके, बहुत क्यूरियस, बहुत उत्सुक हुई उन एनिमल्स को देख के जिन्हें उसने पहले कभी देखा नहीं था. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो उसके ग्रैंडफादर थे वो उसको सभी एनिमल के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, बता रहे थे कि वे कहाँ रहते हैं और उनकी फूड हैबिट्स क्या हैं. अगले दिन जब वे स्कूल गई तो उसकी टीचर उसको यही पढ़ा रही थी, एडेप्टेशंस इन एनिमल्स. इंडिया में हम पोलर बियर और कंगारूज को नहीं देखते हैं. क्यों नहीं देखते हैं? क्योंकि ये जानवर अपने आप को हमारे क्लाइमेट के अनुसार एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, इसीलिए वे इंडिया में नहीं दिखते हैं. अपने आप को सर्वाइव मतलब अपने आप को जिंदा रखने के लिए और रिप्रोड्यूस करने के लिए एनिमल्स अपने आप को सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है? इसी प्रोसेस ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट को हम बोलते हैं एडेप्टेशन. एनिमल जो अडेप्ट कर लेते हैं अपने आप को सराउंडिंग के हिसाब से, वे लोग तो जिंदा रह जाते हैं, और जो अपने आप को अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं क्लाइमेट के, सराउंडिंग के हिसाब से, एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से, वे मर जाते हैं. ओके? एडेप्टेशन इन एनिमल्स. नाउ आवर टॉपिक इज एडेप्टेशन इन एनिमल्स. Some animals live on land, some in water, some in deserts, some in ice-cold regions, and a few on mountains. According to their habitats, animals are divided into 5 groups. These groups are terrestrial, aquatic, amphibious, aerial, and arboreal animals. Let us understand adaptation to environment by studying this group. Animals live on land, water, on ice, cold regions, and also they live on mountains. According to the habitats, they are divided into 5 categories. Animals जो हैं वो ज़मीन में रहते हैं, पानी में रहते हैं, एकदम ठंडे जगहों पे रहते हैं, माउंटेन्स में मतलब पहाड़ों पत्थरों पे भी रहते हैं. हैबिटेट के हिसाब से हम एनिमल्स को 5 ग्रुप में डिवाइड करते हैं. कौन कौन से ग्रुप हैं? टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल, TERRESTRIAL, टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स. एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, okay, arboreal animals, amphibious, and aerial animals. Sorry, A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial animals. Now according to the habitats, animals are divided into 5 groups. Terrestrial animals which live on land, aquatic live on water, arboreal live on trees, amphibious live on land and in water, both land and water. Amphibious animal. Aerial animal, they are flying animals, they fly. Now in next class we will discuss about all these animals. Okay, terrestrial, aquatic, amphibious, aerial and arboreal. Okay, now this much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you, children.